Bloodsucker, I don't see say your dodo don't begin to reach. Your pawpaw don't dey ripe. I wan cap you something. One day I go reason you. I go knack you short, you go enter too sec. Who dey too? You come my car back on dey challenge me. Who gave you? Who that shoe liver? Tell you now. See, I go put am for your body woto woto. Wait o. Demon, na me you dey talk to another person. Na me, bloodsucker, you dey talk to another person. Be like so you no dey fear me. Demon, may I tell you one thing wey you never understand. Be say, one day Obi go be a man. Don't be a man. Make you listen am say na me be the bloodsucker. You no fit enter my side dey talk hala hala hala. You go put am for your body now. You go understand me. I don confirm am. Na your witch man tell you say you don be a man. You don eat your brain. You still be boy. See my cap you. Go tell your witch man say him pawpaw never ripe. You no fit do anything. Any person wey cross my line, when I go suck that person blood, tell them say my blood dey hot. My blood dey hot. I no dey joke so. Your liver don reach. I go put am for your body woto woto. That you no fit do anything. Who born you without you? You no fit. No answer. No dey answer. Yeah, you wan show me say you get groundnut, yeah? No get sense. No ask me now. Go ask people. Dem know you well. No ask your bloodsucker. I go suck your blood. I go show you say na me be the bloodsucker wey dem get for. You no dey enter. You dey waste your bullet. Wait my shit. As me to say back. No dey. You go see now my groundnut go enter your body now. Collect. You collect am now. Tell you so you go collect. And if the bloodsucker wey dey for this stand. Demon! Where you dey, demon? Tell you say na me be the bloodsucker. Now I don suck your blood now. Demon! Blood.
Bloodsucker, right? And demon, demonistic, bloodsucker, sucker, demonistic. We are about to catch the criminals. Make sure none of them get caught. Okay? You are familiar with it. You are crazy, I think. Yeah, so, let's go and quick.